Okay, so for those of you who want to listen, the app to use is Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro just released the mobile version of video editing. We only have PC version, but they have released mobile version, and this is how the interface is. The beautiful thing is that it's absolutely free, though they have the paid version, but you can use any of their features for free. So let me show you how you can control the voice. This is the video I'll be using.
The day
So let me
Nigeria
just
will
show you
stop
how
being the
it's
giant of
done.
Africa, that is the day
Okay,
I believe
so
Nigeria will start moving forward, will start
this is it.
progressing.
I'm increasing the volume so you can hear. If you listen closely, you hear the background noise, right? The background noise is there. So what I'm about to do now is to enhance the audio. So I click enhance audio, then enhance speech, then I turn on this thing. Then I look at noise reduction, reduce background noise. So you increase it,
The
increase the
day
volume to
Nigeria will
100,
stop
increase it.
being the giant of
Then you wait for
Africa,
it to process.
that is the
So
day
you'll be
I
using your
believe
mobile
Nigeria will
data to
start
do this whenever
moving
you're using the
forward, will
app.
start
To
progressing.
get the best of it, you own your internet.
There is nothing
Okay,
much to say.
so
We
it's pretty
accepted that we
much
are the
simple.
giants of
There
Africa,
are
but the day
other
we stop
features
being
in
the
the
giants of
software. If you
Africa,
are
that
good
is the
in
day we
video
start moving
editing, you can
forward.
also check them out.
I
But
don't want
basically what I'm trying to show you is
to talk
how
too
to
much,
get
but the
a
thing is that
clean
we all know what happened to the
audio
giants in the
in
Bible.
your
What happened
video
to giants?
recording. Now you see the difference. So
The
it's
day
that
Nigeria
simple.
will stop being the giants of Africa,
Can hear the audio
that
now.
is the day
Now
I
the thing
believe
is, you can,
Nigeria will
if
start
you are
moving
not
forward, will
too
start
okay with, if you can still hear by, so you, after exporting the video, you now import it back. You import the video back and still carry out the same procedure to reduce the background noise again and export it. So this is the, when you click export, this is what will come. So it also saves videos on 4K, which means you can have the highest resolution video savings. The video will come out very clean and neat. Now, if you look at, I don't have space in my device, so 4K won't work for me. So I go to the nearest higher this thing. So that is just pretty much it. So please do well to like this video and also subscribe to my channel, because I'll be dropping more videos like this. Subsequently, also free apps that you will not be paying for. There's a lot of things I want to be doing on this platform, so please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.